Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you can generate your shipping label. Seeing shipping label not available, I'm talking about these type of problems or these type of messages. This can delay your order, but don't really worry because in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to fix shipping label not available on Vinted in 2026. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. We can basically refresh the order page by going through Vinted.com. Come here all the way, then log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. I'm gonna go to inbox. So close and reopen the app if you are using the Android or iOS app version. You can also recheck the order conversation from here. Then check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and even mobile data at this point. Then wait a few minutes. Sometimes labels take time to generate, which is totally normal. And again, if you are using the app, look for any updates, since outdated app usually gives this type of problems. Also confirm the shipping method is supported, since some pickup options may temporarily be unavailable for now. And that's an idea from here. Also, if the deadline is closed, message the buyer immediately to avoid any automatic cancellation. That's a point as well. So overall, if you are using the app as I told you, go and look for any updates, do them, try opening the app, try clearing the cache, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.